Hello again. Welcome back to your English lesson. And today we're talking about yes or no questions. Yes or no. How do we answer these questions? And how do we even make these questions? Yes, no. And that brings us back to our previous lesson. If you have not watched the previous lesson, check it out before this. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we have this is a book. Do you remember? This is a book. That is a book. This, that. We have that. Now, when you want to make the question form, this comes here. And we have is. Is this a book? Is this a book? Is this a book? Yes. Yes. This is a book. Yes. Is this a book? Is this a book? This is a book. This is a book. Your question, for questions, it goes up. Is this a book? Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Now, for negative, you say, let me use a red pen. Let me use a red marker. For the negative form, you say, no. No. This is not a book. No, this is not a book. Is this a book? No, this is not a book. This is a pen. No, this is not a book. This is a pen. We use this. Do you remember? We use this. No, this is not a book. This is the correct one. Is that an apple? No. That isn't an apple. That is an orange. No, that isn't an apple. That is an orange. Is that an orange? Yes, that is an orange. Yes, that is an orange. Question: is this a book? Is this a marker? Is this a marker? Yes, this is a marker. This is a marker. This is a book. And that's it. Question: is this a pen? Is this a pen? Yes, this is a pen. Is this a book? No, this isn't a book. This is a pen. Is that a pen? Yes, that is a pen. Is that a book? No, that isn't a book. That is a pen. Practice and practice, and I will see you down in the comment section. Like and subscribe, please. See you. Goodbye.